video I'm going to be making slime in the UK. So as you may have known, in America and other places in the world you can get stuff like borax to make slime, but you can't get borax in the UK. So I'll be telling you guys a really easy way to make slime in the UK. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is a bowl and a spoon or something else to mix the slime with. So the next thing you need is some PVA glue. Mine is just from Tesco. So you're just going to pour it into your bowl. So the next thing you need is shaving cream, and again mine is from Tesco. So the next thing you need is some contact solution. In your contact solution you must have boric acid in it, or else it won't work. So when you think your slime is nearly ready, you're just going to get out of the bowl and start kneading it until it's not sticky. So when you've kneaded your slime for a bit, if it's still sticky, add more contact solution. But for some reason, I always add shaving cream and it always works better. So you can do either or and see which one works. So this is what your slime should turn out like. And if you want to make your slime more stretchy, just add some lotion into it and it'll make it really stretchy. And if you don't know what this slime is called, it's called fluffy slime. But you can also make loads and loads of different types of slime too. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. And remember to hit the subscribe button down below. And remember to comment some video ideas. So I will see you guys later. Bye!